supposed to be deer hunting, but we're all tagged out, so we're gonna go out and down to Mount Carmel Junction here and pull out a 25-foot motorhome. Their first trip out of the chutes, and they got it stuck down here into dispersed camping. So we're gonna sneak down in here and see if we can get them gathered up, and we'll take you along for the ride.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Well, that looks like a good one. What? How are you? Casey? I am. How are you guys? Good. Good to see you. We're right down there.
Ready to get the beast out? Is this the road you came down?
Yes, it is.
Are we gonna go out the same road?
Gonna have to.
All right, party on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we dug out as much as we...
It shouldn't take a lot to get you tucked out of here. And then we'll just work you back up to the main roads.
Well, we called AAA, and we're not covered for off-road or RVs in AAA.
Okay.
And so he said, let me look it up for your area. Where are you? And I gave him the name. He gave me Casey's, I thought it was a K and a C, so that's what I wrote. Casey said, oh my God, the picture on here is them pulling out
The
a school
website.
bus on the website.
So
We
folks,
will definitely be able to get you out.
so folks, there you have it. A direct referral from AAA Roadside Assistance. That's
Yeah,
the best thing in the world right there. What a compliment.
And can I make one more comment?
Sure.
'Cause- so this guy, Casey, texted me to make sure we had gotten out. No, we still haven't gotten out. We decided not to call anyone because his partner called us and said, oh yeah, Casey's over by your way. And he said, I remember now, he said he'd be up for pulling people out on this side of the mountain.
Amen.
And so you texted me 9, and there you go. The rest is history.
All right, so I actually texted these guys last night to make sure they was all right, and they said we have not gotten out, but we were up deer hunting, and so they had a place to sleep in that lovely Coachman Leprechaun motorhome. Rented motorhome. Anyway, so here we are. We're going to give them a quick little pull out, and then we're going to go up that road over there and get them out of here.
And not only that, this is our maiden voyage.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't forget that. This is our first, and I think it must be a rite of passage to get stuck in the sand.
So their first trip to Utah. But anyways, we'll give them a quick tug out here and have a little fun with it.
We're from New York City. So.
They're a bunch of New Yorkers.
Stuck there. We thought the whole thing was blowing.
Oh, that's, I think it'll be okay. It's kind of softer sand.
Uh-huh.
And as we start pulling forward, it's immediately going to start raising.
Uh-huh.
I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, we did. You're
All
gonna
right,
pull us
well,
all the way?
fire that baby up and let's see if it'll come out of there. Okay. Put it in drive and just kind of help me drive, and then what I'll do is I'll kind of just do a rolling bump and I'll bump you right out.
Go, yeah, baby. That looks a little soft right there, but he's gonna. I said we should have got keyed in when we saw this. But
Well, the dirt up here is so crazy too.
What?
The dirt up here is so crazy.
And I was told never, but I read also you can't know by walking on it because your RV is so much heavier.
Go, go, go!
We've already run into a couple of things and scratched it a little bit.
Oh.
All right, go, 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 baby.
Yeah.
All right.
That was awesome. Yeah. that wasn't too big of a deal. Those folks had come in late last night, or sometime a couple days ago, and got down in that soft, sandy stuff, and they probably didn't realize that that's actually a little bit of a floodplain, but thankfully we didn't have any big storms, so it didn't swamp it. But we was able to just give him a little bit of a tug, and he had enough weight on him. He was able to drive out of that little road going down in there without no problems to the vehicle. So thank you, AAA, for giving me a referral on that one. I get them quite a bit from AAA. And so thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one. Well, we're on the road again. We had a super busy weekend. We had a super busy week last week. We had the Trail Hero event in town. It's a big Jeep and rock crawling event. So we were super busy with that all week. Had a dang good time out helping people get unstuck and moving a few things around. Got a little footage of that. We're gonna head out to 4100 West State on a dispatch. Got a rolled over vehicle, so get that thing gathered up, back on its wheels again, load it on the rollback and haul it to the yard. And we'll take you along for the ride. Don't know how they got there, don't know why they're there, but they're there. We'll turn them back over and go from there. Upside down. What kind of car is it? A Kia? Do you think there's any damage it's going to sustain that doesn't already have? We got a little bit of a mess, bumpers, miscellaneous parts. That had to hurt when he hit right there. Come off the highway. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Landed down there somewhere. Does that. All done and gone. That wasn't too big of a deal. We got that pile of junk loaded on there. Gonna get her way out of here and see what we end up with. But overall, pretty cut and dry for a Monday morning rollover. So thanks for coming along for the ride.